The Hong Kong market is always an exciting market because it only takes perhaps one or two companies to make it the number one market in the world. And it's always been competitive with the US markets. I don't think there's another market out there that could actually compete with the US markets. It's been an exciting year for Hong Kong. They've had a number of listings over there, and it's become the alternative right now to the US markets, especially for some of the Asian companies, Chinese specifically, because it's the other place for them to go.
What is your outlook for Hong Kong and global equity market over the next year? Which sectors or issuers do you find most promising?
Well, I think, everybody's got their focus right now on AI. I haven't seen a lot of companies that are actually selling AI and making money, but obviously the hardware people are making a lot of money right now, and that's where the focus is, particularly in places like China, that you've seen what the government is promoting right now is globalization for these companies. And I think that's going to be a big push for the markets right now, because with globalization, you also have to globalize your finance part of the company, and it's going to force a lot of the companies to become more mature. We've seen in 2025, there was a few multi-billion-dollar IPOs, right? We had Beta Technologies, but there's also a bunch of them lined up right now for 2026. So I think it's going to be a pretty interesting year for IPOs. When the market is rich with IPOs, it's good for all the markets.
Given China's recent pledge of more proactive fiscal policy and moderately loose monetary policy from the Central Economic Work Conference, do you think this will boost Chinese mainland capital markets or spur more listings, even in Hong Kong?
Oh, I'm very optimistic about more listings from Asia. I use Asia rather than just China because probably 40 to 50% of our business right now is coming from places like Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, some Philippines, and Japan. And the interesting part about that is my guess would be 20 to 30% of it is still Chinese. I've said for some time right now that I think going forward, at least for the next 5 or 10 years, the majority of the industry disruptive unicorns will be coming from Asia.